What are the 11 key benefits of email marketing? Before you decide to invest in this marketing channel, it's worth learning about its advantages. There are 11 of the main benefits that make email marketing the perfect choice for your digital marketing activities. 1. Low cost. Let's start with the most important aspect. How much does email marketing cost? To run professional email marketing campaigns, all you need is a basic strategy and the right tool that allows you to try and test various tactics. Professional email marketing software like GetResponse offers several plans based on the size of your email marketing list, your number of subscribers. Basic plans start as low as $15 a month and provide key features like email marketing, autoresponders, marketing automation, landing pages, Facebook ads, sales funnels, and list building funnels. It also lets you import and grow your email list up to 1,000 contacts to whom you can send an unlimited number of messages. Email marketing services are perfectly scalable. You can use a basic plan to start building your contact list, sell your products, and upgrade to more advanced plans as your online revenue grows. You can also test GetResponse for free without having to provide your credit card details. 2. Full control. You have full control over your email marketing communication. You can design your assets like web forms, emails, and landing pages, decide on the kind of email marketing campaigns you run, segment your email list for precise targeting, tag your contacts for better personalization, and create marketing automation workflows with your business goals in mind. The only thing you can't fully control is your email deliverability. But if you follow email marketing best practices and engage your audience effectively, it will not affect your results. Plan your communication carefully to reflect your brand identity and stand out from other companies in your customers' inbox. 3. Precision. When you build your list organically, ask people to confirm the subscription. This way you know that your contacts want to receive emails from your brand, which means that you're sending emails to people who are really interested in your offer. Such an email list is considered high quality and likely to bring better business results. You can run A/B tests, track statistics, and monitor the results of your email marketing campaigns in real time. Based on the collected information, you can make small changes like design, copy, structure, or workflow, and optimize your email marketing program. 4. Ease of use. Creating an email marketing campaign is simple. You can design your email templates, landing pages, and marketing automation workflows with intuitive drag-and-drop editors. No need to code anything. And if design isn't your thing, you can just use ready-made templates to set up your campaigns. 5. The preferred marketing medium. According to the DMA, most people prefer to be contacted by companies through email rather than other channels. The results of the survey make perfect sense since well-designed email marketing campaigns are relevant and non-intrusive. Emails wait in the inbox, and subscribers decide when the right moment is to open and read an email. And if they no longer want to receive the content, they can unsubscribe in just a couple of clicks. 6. You can reach mobile device users. The percentage of email opens on mobile devices continues to grow. According to our Email Marketing Benchmarks report, desktop opens make up 45.69% of all email opens, followed by mobile opens at 34.31% and webmail opens at 20%. This means that you can reach your customers and influence their buying decisions wherever they are. You can also integrate your online and offline marketing, for example, by collecting email addresses at events or during shopping at a brick-and-mortar location. 7. Email is an owned medium. Traditionally, digital marketing strategy is divided into paid, earned, and owned media. Email follows into the owned media category, unless we're talking about sponsored mailing. It means that your business has full control over this online marketing channel. In fact, over time, your email list becomes your greatest online marketing asset, a massive database of people who want to hear from your brand. If you use professional email marketing services, your emails will reach almost everyone on your email list as opposed to, for example, social media, where you cannot control your organic reach. That's why investing too much in social media following is often called building a house on rented land. 8. Targeted and personalized communication. You can collect relevant information from your contacts along the subscription process and use it to tailor the communication to their needs and preferences. Based on the data, you can create segments of people sharing common traits. Your subscribers will stay on your list as long as they see value in your communication. That's why over time, you can build a huge email list that brings impressive revenue. Easy to measure results. You can gain full control over your email marketing efforts by integrating your email marketing platform with online analytics tools such as Google Analytics. Just add UTM parameters to your emails, and you'll know exactly which email, subject line, or call to action button brought you the best results. You can control the performance of individual emails in your email marketing tools statistics panel, and then track user behavior on your website. You can set goals for individual email marketing campaigns, track conversions, and measure the ROI. 10. Fully automated. With marketing automation, you can build custom workflows for your campaigns. You can easily create any kind of automated email marketing campaign by using a drag-and-drop editor to program the communication flow with the available conditions, actions, and filters. 11. Excellent return on investment. Email marketing keeps on bringing the highest return on investment of all online marketing channels. This is something we've seen firsthand, and that came out in the study we've conducted along with Smart Insights. This results from all of the factors mentioned. If you run and measure your email marketing activities the right way, they'll become a proven source of revenue for your business. If you feel you're ready to start running effective email programs, to build and segment high-quality lists, design high-converting email templates, continuously test and optimize your campaigns, I've got good news for you. You can do all of this inside of one single tool, and it's completely free, no credit card required. If any of that sounds interesting to you, just sign up for a free trial of GetResponse and start making some real results.